Hello, NEX and Computer Do 264 here, and welcome to my first episode about my NEX stuff. I made this transistor out of NEX. Let's talk about it. Before we turn on the machine.
Hey there, I am Vlad, and I'm going to tell you my life story.
Get off the screen right now, or I'm kicking out of here. You're wasting my time.
Fine.
Later.
Sorry about that. Anyways, we're outside. Oh yeah. Before we turn on the machine, let's talk about the history of the transistor and how a transistor works. Believe it or not, the first transistor ever was invented in 1947 at Bell Labs, followed by the NPN transistor in 1950. Transistors are the building blocks of electronic computers. A transistor acts like a switch that allows electricity to flow through the switch if the input on, and block it if the input off. They are contained in logic gates like AND or NOT gates, which are inside components like the electronic addition and subtraction machine. Now, let's see how this works. So that's it. I hope that it can be used for future connected computers, and I hope you will love my idea. If you do, please like the video, and subscribe with notifications on so you're reminded when I upload more videos. For now, see you next time with another Connect creation.